to the first ever video on my YouTube channel. My name is Maahum. I am 19 years old and I'm from the UK. So I finished sixth form, I finished my secondary school and I'm moving to university in October. I've wanted to create a YouTube channel for actually a very long time. I've thought about it and I think I'm finally at a position where I feel like I've gathered enough knowledge. I can put out some useful content for other people, and I think create a community based around something that will be useful and content that, you know, has a wide reach. A lot of people can access it very easily. I know there's loads of videos like this already, but I think there's always room for another person, and I'm just gonna squeeze into that gap whilst I can. I also think that when I was looking for videos for help online, there wasn't always necessarily what I wanted, so I hope I can fill those gaps and help someone else. And again, there's just so many techniques, so many ways of doing things out there, so many ways of doing things that I think will be useful if I could share my tips. And I also want to make this a platform where we can have real discussions about real things, issues. I've always loved the idea of having a podcast as well, and maybe this channel can lead me to that. So I do hope you guys stick around. I will get better at talking to the camera, hopefully. I've just finished my A-levels, which is sort of the exams you do just before going to universities in the UK, and I am going to be going to study law at university. So, you know, I think I can do a lot of university related content, school content, anything that would really help anyone out there, even if it's one person. I think, you know, it's a great opportunity and it's such a great tool that we have YouTube. I mean, everything's accessible, you can learn almost anything. So I hope I can be of some use to someone. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And you'll see in the next one for some real content.